Hello. So, you've been talking a lot about theme and what the bigger picture of the story is. We're going to take a step back and we're going to talk about the plot, which is what happens in the story. We have started talking about conflict. What's the problem? Why are people clashing? Then we're going to find the solution. So, when we are mapping our story with plot, we have our beginning. We're introduced to characters, we're introduced to where the story is starting. So it starts, then if we get a problem, it gets bigger, the conflict. And then we'll have a solution. And then the characters go on their way. So I'm going to send out some books for you to read. I want you to take some paper and I want you to do the mountain. Who are the characters? Who are the characters? Then when you draw your conflict, you're going to write it here. Then, with the solution, you're going to write it here. And then, I want you to add an emotion at the end of the story. Did it leave you feel, as the reader, do you feel happy? Do you feel hopeful? Do you still have questions? That's okay to have questions. I want you to write an emotion about how you, as the reader, felt at the end of the book. Did you feel happy, or did it leave you kind of upset by how it ended, or do you still have questions? If you do have a question, make sure you write it out. So go on to Epic. I will send you the link for your books, and I want you to do this to one of the books. I'm going to assign you a few books. I would like you to read them, but only do this to one of the books. So you're writing, who are the characters at the beginning? What's the conflict? What's the problem? Then, what did they do to resolve the problem? What's the solution? And then, what was the feeling at the end? What do you as a reader feel at the end? I can't wait to see what you do. Thanks.